Most people are introduced to physics as a science sometime in their school time years. The most common question I remember asking myself was, how does physics apply to real life? Yes, I remember my high school teacher saying, if you throw a ball up in the air, it will follow a projectile motion pathway. If you're like me and want to attend medical school in the future, you question, why do I have to study physics for the MCAT? When we think of physics, we think of this complicated science, but there is a whole field of physics devoted to medicine, called medical physics. Medical imaging has allowed physicians to assess and diagnose patients, the most common being the X-ray. Then there is the MRI, CT scan, and nuclear medicine imaging. Ultrasound imaging is the safest imaging technique that uses sound waves. It is most commonly used during pregnancies to image the fetus. The latest advances is using 3D ultrasound imaging to 3D print a fetal heart. The 3D prints are being used to produce physical models of whole fetuses to be used as surgical rehearsal methods. They are saying that it may help patient outcomes for those who have congenital heart disease. How cool is that? Physics is definitely helping the field of medicine and healthcare.